Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHFS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. Overall, and just summarizing this quickly, this is a gap and trap that turned into a pump and dump. So let's just first start off with the gap and trap part if you're new to charts. So on Tuesday, the price closed right there. This morning opened right there. So hence the gap, and it was called a gap up. After the market opened up, price went up here. Some poor souls bought right there. And then it was all bears the rest of the day. Not only did it go back to where it started, which is essentially right there, it just kept on going and going and going, hence the pump and dump. Big move up, and then the price just got destroyed to the downside. Now, the interesting part here is the location where this thing finally stabilized, and it stabilized at a former area of support, which makes this an interesting setup going forward, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have seen price movements like this where the price makes a great move up and then gets destroyed and then levels off, no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but it can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have here. I mean, you go back through the history of the chart, and you can see this area before has acted as support, and that's right where the price started to go sideways right there, and the price got a nice little doji candle right at that level of support. So again, guarantee? No, but would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce to the upside? Absolutely not. Now, if the price just decides to continue to flush down through 36, then at that point, the next key overarching level of support to keep an eye on would be down there at the 34-cent mark. And that would definitely be the nail in the coffin of the pump and dump, because that would, like I said, quite literally imply that the price made a great move up and then has gone all the way back down to there. Now, if there is any sort of bounce to the upside, watch that purple line very closely. That is the 50-period moving average, and it's currently valued at 40 cents there. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, overall, a very rough day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.